Meaning of Herbert Henry Asquith.
Herbert Henry Asquith.
Herbert Henry Asquith.
Herbert Henry Asquith.
Herbert Henry Asquith. Herbert Henry Asquith was a British politician who served as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom from 1908 to 1916. He was also a member of the Liberal Party and played a crucial role in the passage of significant legislative reforms, such as the National Insurance Act and the Parliament Act. Additionally, he was an advocate for Irish Home Rule, a policy that aimed to grant self-government to Ireland within the British Empire. Asquith's premiership was marked by the outbreak of World War I, and he ultimately resigned in 1916 following a political crisis over military strategy.